Hey, this is Rick with Social Good Software, and in this short demo, I'm going to be walking you through the process of removing selected dates from your calendar. We're going to be removing December 31st and January 2nd. However, the process I'm going to show you today works with any date, not just these two specific dates. So pretty much you just need to adjust the query and exclude out the dates. So it's pretty simple. We're going to head over into the calendar builder here. We're going to go ahead and select our calendar here that we have. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that one. And then I'm going to hop over into settings. And then here you'll find your specific query that you want to change under events. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the query. And this will drop you over to all true, where you have to go ahead and get signed in. You want to add start date. And then you want to say not one of. And then you want to enter your dates here. We already have that section here already. All I have to do is just enter the additional dates. So I'm going to go ahead and double click here. I'm going to say specific date. And I have the 31st. So I'm going to do 12, 31st. And then finally, January 2nd. So January 2nd. Then I'm going to click OK. I'm going to go ahead and click on Save and Close. I'm going to go ahead and sync the data now. And that's going to go ahead and populate the calendar with the new data. So we'll give this a second to download, and then you will see that the data is populated. All right, so we're going to go to preview now, and we're going to check out December 31st and January 2nd. So you can see here the 31st, there's nothing there. And January 2nd, there's nothing there either. And that's all there is to it.
And that's going to go ahead and do it here for me. Once again, this is Rick from Social Good Software. Hopefully you found this video helpful. We're always looking to improve and make things better. If something was not clearly explained in this video, or maybe you just are still a little bit confused and have some additional questions that we didn't talk about in the video, don't worry, we're here to help. Please go over to Social Good Software /feedback. You're able to provide us feedback on this training. You're able to provide us feedback on the software. We're always looking to improve. So if you have any suggestions, please reach out to us. Again, socialgoodsoftware.com /feedback. You'll be able to go ahead and share your thoughts with us, and we're always happy to help.